Hi, I am from System Hash. In this video, I will tell you how to display incoming calls in Popup while using apps on Android 12 phones. When you are busy using some important apps for some important tasks on Android phones, some important incoming calls may be missed being unseen. In this situation, you need some prominence of incoming calls to be seen. For this purpose, Android offers 3 different options for incoming calls to be seen. Let's see. Press the phone icon on the home screen of the Android 12 phone. It will open up the phone screen. At the phone screen, press the 3 dots on the right side of the settings screen. It will open up a pop-up. Press the settings in the pop-up. It will take you to the call settings screen. At the call settings screen, press the call display while using the app feature. At the call display while using the app screen, see the pop-up option is activated by default, but the keep calls in Popup option is currently grey. That is, disabled and inactivated. Press call in pop-up feature to enable it, and it will become green. Now, you may see the incoming calls in a pop-up while you are using apps. If you do not want to see the incoming calls in the pop-up while you are using the apps, press the full screen feature on the left side of the screen. Now you may see the incoming calls on the full screen. If you want to see the incoming calls in the pop-up, but still want to see the smaller pop-up, press the mini pop-up feature on the right screen. Now, you have 3 features to display the incoming calls. That is, full screen, large pop-up, and the mini pop-up. Choice is yours.